What happens after you sign your case with your attorney? Part 1.
Today, we'll explain the pre-litigation process in Texas step by step. The process begins when you sign the representation agreement. This document gives your attorney the legal authority to act on your behalf. After that, your attorney will help you coordinate your medical treatment, a crucial step for your recovery and for documenting your injuries. Depending on the severity of your injuries, completing your treatment is essential to determine the extent of your damages and ensure your full recovery. The medical records collected during this process serve as key evidence to demonstrate the connection between the accident and your injuries, strengthening your case. Next, your attorney sends a letter of representation to the insurance company and other involved parties. From that moment on, all communication goes through your attorney. This letter may also request the preservation of evidence, such as surveillance videos or police reports. Your attorney will then gather all medical records and bills to calculate the true value of your expenses and damages. This includes invoices and records related to your medical treatment, consultations, procedures, medications, and therapies. This process usually takes about 30 days, depending on how quickly the medical providers deliver the documents. Once all medical evidence is obtained, your attorney prepares the demand letter. This document outlines the accident, the injuries sustained, the impact on your life, the expenses incurred, and the compensation being requested. Preparing this letter usually takes around 15 days, as it requires a thorough review of all medical records, bills, and supporting evidence. The demand letter is then formally sent to the insurance company, initiating the negotiation process. This step happens immediately, but the response from the opposing party may take time. In Texas, insurance companies generally have a reasonable time frame, typically 30 to 45 days to respond. Though it's not strictly regulated, your attorney will then negotiate to obtain a fair settlement for your damages, medical expenses, and losses. This negotiation phase usually lasts 30 to 60 days, depending on the complexity of the case and the willingness of the opposing party to reach an agreement. Most personal injury cases are resolved at this stage, avoiding litigation. The process may end with a settlement or proceed to litigation if an agreement cannot be reached. Either way, your attorney will be with you every step of the way. If no settlement is reached, the next step is to file a formal lawsuit in a Texas state court, beginning the litigation process. At David Sanchez Law Group, we fight for you from day one. If you've been in an accident, you're not alone. Call us today.